In this video, I would like to cover another personality type ESTJ, the extroversion, sensing, thinking, and judgment. If you are not aware of extroversion, sensing, thinking, and judgment, please watch the personality category video in the same video series where I explain clear about all four personality categories. Here, the ESTJ personality characteristics and behavior and strengths, the weaknesses, I will explain you. So generally, the ESTJ personality types are they live in the world of facts and concrete needs. They live in the present with their eye constantly scanning their personal environment to make sure that everything is running smoothly and systematically. They honor traditions and laws and have a clear set of standards and beliefs. They expect the same of others and have no patience and understanding of individuals who do not have values of these systems. They value competency and efficiency and like to see quick results for their efforts. So they are they take charge of people. They have such a clear vision of way that things should be that they naturally step into leadership roles. They are self-confident and aggressive, and they are extremely talented at devising systems and plans for actions and at being able to see what steps need to be taken to complete a specific task. They can sometimes be very demanding and critical because they have such a strongly held beliefs and are likely to express themselves without reserve if they feel someone is not meeting their standards. But at the least, their expressions can be taken at face value because these ESTJs is extremely straightforward and honest personal. They needs to watch out for tendency to be too rigid and to become overly detail oriented. Since they put lot of weight in their own beliefs, it's important that they remember to value other people's input and opinions. If they neglect their feelings side, they may have a problem with fulfilling others' needs for intimacy and may unknowingly hurt people's feelings by applying logic and reason to situations which demand more emotional sensitivity. So when bogged down by stress, these ESTJ often feels isolated from others and they feel as if they are misunderstood and undervalued and that their efforts are taken for granted. Although normally these ESTJs is very verbal and does not have any problem expressing themselves. When under stress, they have a hard time putting their feelings into words and communicating them to others. And these values security and social order above all these and feel obligated to all that they can enhance and promote these goals. They will now they like law and vote anything that they can to promote personal and social security as well. They usually model citizen and a pillar of community and they take their commitments seriously and follow their own standard of good citizenship and they enjoy interacting with people and like to have a fun. They can be very boisterous and fun at social events, especially activities which are focused on family, community or work. They put forth a lot of effort in almost everything that they do. They will do everything that they think should be done in their job and marriage or community with good amount of energy. They, they are practical, realistic and dependable, while they will dutifully do everything what is important to work toward a particular cause or a goal, and they might not naturally see or value the importance of goals which are outside of the practical scope. However, if they are able to see the relevance of such a goals to practical concern, we can bet that they will put everything effort into understanding and incorporating into the quest of clarity and security. And they are more practical, realistic, matter of fact, with the natural head of business or mechanics. Though they are not interested in subjects they see no use for, they can apply themselves when necessary. They like to organize and run activities. They make good administrator, especially if they remember to consider others' feelings and points of view, which they often dismiss. They are representative of tradition and order, utilizing their understanding of what is right and what is wrong and social acceptance acceptable to bring families and communities together. Embracing the values of honesty, dedication, and delight and dignity, the people with these personality type are valued for their clear advice and guidance, and they happily lead the way of difficulty paths. Taking pride in bringing people together, they often take on roles as community organizer, working hard to bring everyone together in celebration of in local events or in a defense of the traditional values that hold families and communities together. Coming to their strengths, they are very dedicated and very strong will minded, and they are direct and honest. They are very loyal, patient and reliable. They enjoy creating order. They are excellent at organizing. Coming to weaknesses, they are inflexible and little stubborn, and they are uncomfortable with unconventional situations. They are little weak at judgmental, and they are too focused on social status, and they are little weak at difficulty to relax, and they are little weak at difficulty expressing emotions. So these are the characteristics and behavior, strengths, weakness of ESTJ personality type.